The key the other day was cast right next to big piles of weeds. Fish. Fish. That's a nice one. Oh, please don't get off. Oh, he's trying to jump. That's a nice one. Alright, try to get him out of these weeds. Oh, that's a nice one. I mean, not 4 or 5, but that's a 2 or 3 maybe. Who knows? He could be. I got one, but he got stuck in the weeds. He's in there. He's in a pile of weeds. All right, let's back off this pipe. Tighten the drag a little bit. Yeah, he's still in there. Oh! He's still got some fight left in him. Calm down there, buddy. Jeez. Sweet, first fish of the day. It's a decent one. It's gotta be 2. Yeah, that's about a 2-pounder. First fish of the day, man. That's a good, healthy bass, you know? Yeah, that's a nice one.
Jake, just so you know, you're not allowed to say your name on YouTube.
I didn't say my name.
Yes, you did.
When?
You said my name.
I'm not even gonna make this a video.
Then why'd you bring your GoPro?
Because I thought I was gonna catch a little bit more fish. That's a fish.
Start recording.
It is recording.
Start recording. Put this on YouTube.
Ben, stop.
Oh. Not allowed to sit on there. It's annoying. Oh, I have stuff here. This is Daddy caught a fish covered in paradise. Fish covered in paradise.
Finally, after a long time, we finally. Oh, he's been caught before. And the little guy.
Can I hold him?
After a while, we finally caught another one.
Can I look into the GoPro? Can I touch him? Ah!
What?
I like them. It's not recording.
Yes, it is.
It's not red.
Ben, it's blink.
Where's the red? Where's the red?
I have a little thing on the back, Ben.
No, it's not. It's not on the front though.
Ben, stop touching the camera. Put one of my worms back. Ben, don't get the glass dirty.
Yeah.
Ben, this is $300.
You always get the glass dirty. That's the point of a GoPro.
No, you're supposed to clean it though.
Clean it though in the GoPro.
Get out of here. Put my worm back. Seriously, Ben.
And it go, pop.
Ben, it's not funny. Quit stealing my stuff.
Pop. Are you recording?
Ben, seriously, stop. I know you're just acting like this because it's the camera.
No, I